Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, so right now we are knocking the shine off of the natural nail. Yes, we are. So yeah, make sure you take your time when you're doing that. Go around the cuticle, get rid of all the shine off the nail. You don't need to be doing that at like a very hard pressure. You just need to knock the shine off. That's it. Just knock the shine off. The tips I got from Tulip Deal, they are non-C-curve square tips. The glue I'm using is KDS glue. I got it from Amazon. So yeah, I don't know why I hate when they send you tips and not in the case. Like, tips are already expensive. You can give me a $2 case too. Jesus Christ. I really like this KDS glue because it dries quick. It really does dry quick. Some people say, oh, it burns my skin. I believe you because it's very strong. It's very, very strong. So I believe everything you say when it comes to this glue. I truly do. I didn't cut her natural nails down because I don't know. I just don't always do that. That's not something I always do. As you can see, I'm literally running my mouth in this video. I think in every video I'm running my mouth because it shouldn't take this long to put no tips on. It should not take this long to put no tips on. I'll be telling my clients, oh, I don't know why it take us 4 hours. It take us 4 hours because I'm running my mouth. Yeah, as you can see, running my mouth. And then I kept in all this thing on non-essential freaking video. Y'all don't need to see all of this. Y'all really don't. I could have cut all this out, but it is what it is. She's going to be doing long nails, and we're going to do a nude base. And with the nude base, we're going to do some croc print. We're going to put on some chrome little hearts, but the chrome hearts are actually going to be in the color white. What else we got going on? We got a cause 3D thing. We got some cuticle bling, I think. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on. There's a whole bunch of stuff. And I wish we really get started on the nails. Come on. Shoot. All right, the hand file I'm using is from Tulip Deal. It's an 8080 grit hand file. Y'all, everything I'm using in the video, mostly everything, I'm not going to say everything. That would be a lie. Mostly everything I'm using in the video will be listed in the bottom right-hand corner. I did add in the text this time because it's Nailmas, and I'm just trying to focus on getting these videos out as well as getting my editing skills up to par, because next year I really do want to be consistent, guys. I promise I really want to be consistent. So Nailmas is me trying to make that happen even before the new year starts. So we're going to reshape. They're square, so it's not really much for us to do, but it's kind of tapering the nail just a little bit to the from sidewall to sidewall, just to make sure it looks good, like it's coming off the finger. And I did blend in the tip in the natural nail. Then I go over and knock the shine off the tip. So yeah, I don't know why. I mean, I do that because it makes the acrylic stick in the sense where it's not, you know how some, okay, so if you do nails, when you take your brush, when you place the bead down and you take your brush and you instantly trying to move it down, if the nail was shiny, it would literally just slide down. Whereas if the nail has little to, like a little stick to it, a little ash to it or something, it takes its time. It takes its time running down. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm messing up my words, but it takes its time. I did dehydrate, prep, prime. Y'all know the drill. The brush, everything is on the bottom. I'm sorry, y'all. Everything's on the bottom. I do take a little thin layer clear on all the nails. It does, to me personally, help with my clients' nails lasting a long time. So, in case you're wondering, I do think it does help. I don't just do this for my fun. And also, like some of my clients come back for fill-ins. I hate doing fill-ins. I hate doing acrylic redesigns. They're the worst because it's so much dust every freaking where. But I do them when I can. The nude I'm using is a custom mix. It started from Nail House Glamour. No, not Nail House Glamour. That's a whole bunch of stuff together. I'm sorry. Supply, Hoops of Supply, House of Supplies on Instagram. The original color started there, and I just kind of, and it was a glow in the dark color, but I just kind of kept mixing more and more and more because I ran out and they didn't have any more for sale, which was crazy to me, but whatever. So yeah, that's the color. I love that color so much, and it does glow in the dark. We're gonna cap it with clear because we're not trying to use it all because we don't got no more. We don't got no more because they don't sell it no more. Sorry guys, but I did want to tell you where I got it from. And we're gonna let it polymerize, put it down, tan the top, bring it down from the sides, bring it on down. Look at the application, it looks so smooth. Take off the bead. You know, I should have recycled that bead. I ain't even gonna flex. I should have recycled it, but I didn't. Take the top, seal it around, bring it on down, bring it on down. Keep that shape, baby. One more. Yep. Tame it. Seal it. Bring it on down. It's crazy because I don't really think I need to cap these nails with clear because I think I'm doing a good job in terms of the keeping all the acrylic on their nail. Like, they look thick enough to me, but I be knowing my clients, they're rough. And these nails have been on her fingers for about a week and a half, and she's already broken 2. So yeah, I be knowing. Tame it. Bring it on down. I did this nail, I think, in 4 beads. I think I did all the nails in 4 beads, and then I took a large bead to encapsulate because I don't want to use all my acrylic. I'm not with that. All right, large bead. Tame it. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. Keep that shape, baby. I don't know what we're talking about. I have no idea. I'm not going to be able to tell you. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Yeah. Looks good to me. Big old bead. Put it in the middle. Tame the top. Bring it on down. It's like I'm really not recycling beads. I don't like that. That's a waste. Right there. Tame the top. Bring it around. Seal it. Bring it on down. There you go. But I will say that application is smooth. It's smooth. It's nice. It look like a professional. Did those. Yep. Just like that. I love when we recycle the beads. I love it. Drain it. Drop it. Tame it. Bring it on down. I'm gonna have to use another bead because it doesn't look like it's already at the top. Guess I was right. Seal it. Bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. Clean it up. Not me wasting clear. I did not like that. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Why did I not recycle that bead? Shoot. Yeah, so I did 3 bead method. on this dang on this video, which is cool. One more bead. Tame it. Seal it. Bring it on down. Tame it. Seal it. Clean it up. Bring it on down. Looks good to me. Yes, there's ski vibe. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Tame the top. Yes, ma'am. Bring it on down. I'm literally not recycling any of these beads, and that's weird to me. One more bead at the top. Tame it. Bring it down. Yes, ma'am. I'm finna reshape them things using the same hand file from earlier. When we are reshaping, we like to keep our brush as straight as possible. Sometimes we do make it lean towards the nail, whatever position we're in, whether on the right side of the nail, left side of the nail. We tilt the nail file inward towards the nail so that we can tailor in some of the nails. You see that? Yeah. So we bring it in some so we can tailor that nail up in there. And I do like to go across the nails just so I can make sure there's no lumps and bumps. Granted, application is smooth, baby. It's smooth. Talk about it, be about it. Okay? Bring it in. Reshape. Go across. Hit them corners. Bring them corners in. And we're going to take our E file from Melody Susie. This is the Scarlet Drill. We're going to clean from up in the bottom. And we're going to knock off some of the scratches. And we will also be cutting down some of the bulk around the cuticle. I hope you guys... It's like you can see, but you can't see because my fingers is just all over the freaking place. But I know you guys know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going around the cuticle, just cutting down some of the bulk. Hitting the bottom, taking off any excess. Go down, go around town. Yes, ma'am. Hit the bottom, take off that extra stuff. These look so good. I don't know how she broke 2 already. I have no idea how she broke 2 of these nails. That's really stressful when your clients come to you and tell you that they broke nails, because it's like, am I doing something wrong? Wait, is it me? Am I the drama? TikTok be like. And I want to say she broke the thumb and the pinky. I really feel like those are the 2 nails she broke. Let me look and see. Because she just texted to me yesterday. So, yeah. Next. Oh, the second file that we use is from Panna. Right now, I'm doing the croc print. I do use base coat gel. I don't use blooming gel. I'm not buying no extra money when this do the exact same thing. Just so we're all under the same impression. We all know what the vibes are. Okay? Okay. So, yeah, she broke the thumb and the dang on pinky on this hand. She broke the thumb and the pinky on this hand. Just crazy. The glue I just used is the Zulay Bling Adhesive. The Cause little thingy I got from, I want to say Tulip Deals. I got it from Tulip Deals. I also got these little chrome things. Well, they're not chrome, they're plastic. But I got those from Tulip Deal. So, yeah. And I am using the Hurry Up Spray to dry the glue for, what is that thing called? The Bling Adhesive from Zulay. And then I'm using the Macart rhinestone glue to adhere those chrome things. Then I also take the rhinestone glue and go around the Cause 3D thing just to make sure I'm sealing it and it's not going anywhere. It don't need to go nowhere at all, period, point blank. Not really feeling it. Okay, so then I do a trimming of diamonds around the other 2 fingers on the nail, which are so cute. I love a good rhinestone placement. I love it. Look at that. Ooh. Keep it straight. Line it up. It looks so good, y'all. These nails were so pretty. So, yeah, the top coat I'm using, I do believe is Beetles, but I'm not sure because we haven't got to the end of the video. And I think I told y'all in the last video, I, got some different ones to try out and to test because I don't really know what's going on here. I don't know why I would do that when I could just spend all that money on Beetles top coat because that's the one I like. And, guys, don't be like me. When you find something you like, stick to it, okay? The rhinestones I got from Amazon, stone picker, wax stick thingy, I got from Amazon as well. Oh, yeah, line it up. Yeah, Zersky vibes. The brush set that I got right there, that black brush set, I got that from Amazon as well. It was like $13-14. Or maybe it was cheaper than that because I'm really cheap. So it might have been like $9. Yeah, that sounds about right. That sounds way more up my alley, if you want to be honest. So, yeah, making sure they fit on there, making sure they good. And they done. Yep, we use Beetles top coat, of course. The bestest. I love it. Yep. I just really love, I don't know. I don't know. It looks good and it's cheap. It looks really good and it's cheap. That's the best part about it. That is literally the best part about it. And also, I want to let you guys know that using base coat gel as blooming gel dupe, it really does work. I already showed you. It looks exactly the same. So yeah, there go the finished product.